Good morning, fourth grade. This video is for students in Miss Nixon's class. Today I'm going to be reading you the questions to one of your quizzes. You need to access the actual passage in materials. It's right here called Spanish Missions. Okay, you need to read it. And then keep it open. That way you can go back and forth from your quiz. Okay. And then you find your actual assignment right here. It says assignment Spanish Missions, revise and edit. And then so it's right there. Okay, so I have it open actually already for you. But so you need 2 tabs. I would suggest you leave 2 tabs open. That way you can go back and forth from your passage to your quiz. So you can go and you can plug in those words and try different sentences and see how it works. Okay? So again, this is for Miss Nixon's class. If you're in Miss B's class, you don't need to watch this video. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to read these to you. Okay. So this is the Spanish Missions Revise and Edit quiz. So number 1, what change, if any, should be made to sentence 3? Insert a comma after started. Change France to France. Change coast to coast. Or make no change in sentence 3. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and then go back to your quiz, or go back to your passage and try out those answers, and then go answer it on your quiz, and then come back to my video. Okay, Frankie would like to add a word or phrase to help the reader transition from sentence 4 to sentence 5. Which is the best to insert at the beginning of sentence 5? Occasionally, however, meanwhile, as a result. Okay, so which one is best to insert at the beginning of sentence 5? Remember to go back to the passage and plug it in. Use your strategies that you've been learning. Okay, which is the correct way to combine sentences 11 and 12? There were 35 missions built in Texas, and they were not all built at once. There were 35 missions built in Texas. They were not all built at once. There were 35 missions built in Texas, then they were not built at once. There were 35 missions built in Texas, but they were not all built at once. Frankie would like to add the following detail to the 3rd paragraph, sentences 11 through 20. The fort was called a presidio. Where is the best place to add this sentence? Okay, so Frankie would like to add the following detail to the 3rd paragraph. Sentences 11 through 20 is the 3rd paragraph. The fort was called a presidio. What is the best place to add the sentence? After sentence 13, after sentence 16, after sentence 18, after sentence 19. What change, if any, should Frankie make to sentence 21? Change people to people? Change theirselves to themselves? Change the second to two? No change is needed. Okay, last one. What change, if any, is needed in sentence 25? Change wasn't to wasn't. Insert a comma after until. Change finally to finally. And no change is needed in this sentence. Okay, so good luck, and let me know if you need any other help.